Circles. Okay. I have a couple of circles. Never mind.
Gentlemen, it is our pleasure to welcome you to Atlanta. It's your continued safety. Like I said, please don't around you. That you please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened to seat passenger tables in the pull-up right and lock position, and all carry-on items stowed until we have arrived safely at the gate. And the captain has turned off the overhead fasten seatbelts on. If exercise caution as you open the overhead bins, the articles you place there may have shifted during our flight. We ask that you please check around your immediate seating area for your personal belongings and be sure to take everything off of the aircraft with you. This flight number 1698, it does continue on to San Diego. Before continuing on, we ask that you please remain comfortably seated and allow the local customers to deploy the aircraft. Once they've done so, we will quickly come throughout the cabin to obtain in the through count. Once we've done so, we will notify you as to when you're able to move about the cabin. Again, we do appreciate your patience in remaining seated and allowing the local customers to deploy the aircraft. For those of you who are connecting to another flight here in Atlanta, I do have the following gate connection information for you. We are scheduled to come into gate C15, that's Charlie 15. All connections are in the Charlie terminal. For Jacksonville on flight number 3078, please proceed to Charlie 10. Fort Myers on flight 637, please departing out of Charlie 20. For Fort Lauderdale on flight number 312, please proceed to Charlie 13. Cancun on flight 1134 is departing out of Charlie 1. For Houston, Dallas, and Oklahoma City on flight 26 to Charlie 6. For Punta Cana on flight number 1238 is departing out of Charlie 2. For West Palm Beach, Long Island, Iceland, and Baltimore, Washington on flight number 247 please proceed to Charlie 3. I'd like to remind you that gate assignments are subject to change based on our operational needs. And for the most up-to-date information, please double-check the LCD monitors at the terminal prior to proceeding over to the assigned gates. Again, we thank you very much for choosing Southwest Airlines for your travel. We shall arrive at the gate shortly.
That's